Clerk Prelims. Now in this paper number 69 Rrb Clerk Prelims, question numbers 1 to 5. Here in this, now it is based on floor arrangement. How many persons are there? There are some 7 persons and they live on 7 different floors of a building. There is no other parameter added to this one, hence it must be under the first priority itself. And 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then these are the 7 floors we have. 7 persons are staying on these 7 different floors. Then coming to condition number 1. Then D lives on an even number floor but above the 4th floor. D lives on an even number floor above the 4th floor, and D can be either on, D must be on the 6th floor. Then next one, above the 3rd floor. Above the 3rd floor, D can be either on the 4th floor or on the 6th floor. And so many possibilities we have? We have some 2 different possibilities. Then only 2 persons in between D and B. In the first case, B is on the 3rd floor. And in the second case, B can be either on the 1st floor or B can be on the 7th floor. Isn't it? And so there are 2 possibilities in the second. And as many persons living above B, below C. And B and C must have equidistant. C is here. Now B is here, C is here, B is here, C is. And more than 2 persons between C and E. Now in between C and E, how many are there? More than 2. And E is here. Now here also, in between C and E can be either here or here. There are 2 possibilities. And here again, E can be either here or here. Then as many persons between B and E, same as A and D. Then A does not live immediate to C. A and C are not adjacent to each other. And F lives 3 floors below E. F is 3 floors below E. E cannot be here, E cannot be here, isn't it? Hence F lives 3 floors below E. Then there are only 2 possibilities here. E can be either at this place. Then F lives 3 floors, F will be here. That is one such possibility. And in the other case, if E is here, then D is here, C is here, F will be here. And so these are the 2 different possibilities we have. Number of persons between B and E is same as A and D. B and E same as A and D here. Now B and E there is 1 floor, and in between A and D there must be exactly 1 floor. A is here. Now between B and E are adjacent, A and D must be adjacent. And A and C are not adjacent to each other. And A and C are not adjacent. A does not live immediate to C. F lives, A does not live on an even number floor. As A does not live on an even number floor, this case is ruled out. Hence we have left with only this one. And who is the person left over? G is the person left over. Clear? Now this is about question numbers 1 to 5. Then coming back to question number 6 onwards. Now here it is based on sequence. Now sequence is definitely under the first priority itself. Then now how many numbers are there? The question is about a number which are immediately followed by letter and preceded by symbol. And the sequence must be symbol, number and a letter. Symbol, number and a letter, tell me how many are there of such type? Symbol, number and a letter. Now symbol, and now this is a symbol, number and a letter. And symbol, this symbol cannot be taken, symbol cannot be taken, this symbol cannot be considered. And symbol, number and a letter. Now so this is another symbol. And so how many are there? There are only 2 of such type. Choice 3, question number 6. Then 7th one, if all the letters are removed from the given series, what are the elements that are to be left over here? All the letters should be removed. Then which of the following is exactly between these 2? Now exactly between these 2, this one and very 6 here, and between these 2, all the symbols are removed, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Then as now percentage and 6. If all the letters are removed. Now if all the letters are removed between these 2, and if all the letters are removed here, 1, 2, 3 and next one, and this is O and V, all the letters are removed here, then which element is in between these 2? Tell me what is the element that is common here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? and 8, exact in between these two, maybe they have taken this as 0. Then tell me what is the element we have here? Now fifth element. Now fifth element 1 and next 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Choice 3 is the answer. Then tell me what is the element we have here. In between these two we need to find out. Then this is O, right, and O. Then if all the letters are removed, that is some percentage and 6. Now between these two, if you remove the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. These are the elements that are removed. Now we are left with the remaining. What are the remaining we have? 2 and 8, 2 and 8, sigma 4 and 5 hash and 1. Then out of which is at the middle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth element that is 4. And 4 that is choice 5. Then coming to question number 8, 4 out of the following means odd one out. Now in first choice 2 and. But 2 k and k, how many elements are there here? And there is 1 plus 1. And then the q, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4. Plus 1 minus 4. The next one m, s and x. M and s, here it is plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1. Now plus 1 minus. Next one G and R. Now G and R, the difference is so much. G and R plus 1. R and A and 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4. And here again 1, 4, 1, 4. And but as in choice it is 1, 5. That is odd one. Question number 8. The ninth one, which are the following element is 6th to the left of 9th from the right. And 6th left and 9th right means 15th from the right hand. Now 15th from the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, D choice 4. Question number 9. The next one 10 onwards, it is based on set of words. Now in this one, how many letters are there between second letter of second word from the left? What is the second word from the left hand side? XOB. What is the second letter we have? O. And first letter of the word which is second from the right, then yes. Now between O and S, how many letters are there? P, Q, R are the 3. Choice to question number 10. Then 11th one. And if all the words are rearranged in alphabetical order from right to left, then which are the following comes second from the right. Now so the words are arranged in the alphabetical order from right hand side to left hand side, and so D comes first from the right, and this GRT comes second from the right hand side, isn't it? Then from right to left, then which are the following comes second from the right, GRT, that is choice 2. Then next one 12th one, and if the positions of the first and the third letters of the words are interchanged, first and third is nothing but they are reversed. Then which are the following forms of meaningful English words? Then in this one, then TRG is not a word, BOX is a word, MUD mud is a word, and PAS and HEN is a word. And so many words are there? There are 3 meaningful words that can be formed. Choice 1, question number 12. Then 13th one, if all the consonants are changed to preceding letter and vowels are changed to succeeding letter, how many words are found will have at least one vowel? At least one vowel is the question here. Now vowel is changed to the next letter, and if vowel changes to the next letter, you will not find a vowel again, isn't it? Hence we need to focus only on the consonant. Now this is F and Q, and this is S. Now W, and this is A. D minus 1 is C. L. S minus 1 is R. This is O, and this is M and G. Then at least one vowel. Here there is a vowel, and here again there is a vowel. Then there are 2 such words where we can have at least one vowel. Choice for 13. Then 14th one, the given words are arranged in the order as they would appear in the English dictionary from left to right. The positions of which of the following will not change compared to the original position. Then all these words are arranged in the alphabetical order. Then now this will come at the first place, and this would be at the second place, and this is at the third place. Then this is at the fourth place, and this is at the fifth place. Now SAP remain at the same place, that is choice to question number 14. Then 15 onwards it is based on blood relations. How many persons are there? There are some 8 persons, and T is the grandfather of E. Now this T, who is the grandfather of A, can be written like this or not? and A is the sister of Q. A and Q are siblings to each other. A is the sister. L is the spouse of M. M is the sister of R. U is the spouse of A. Now U is the spouse of A. And R is the son of O. U is the spouse of A. R is unmarried. O is the spouse of T. Now O and T are here. And R is the son of whom? And M is the sister of R. And R is the son of O. R is the son of and this person is unmarried. And that means M is the sister of R. M is the sister of R. U is the spouse of A. And R is the son of O. R is unmarried. O is the spouse of T. And M has only one daughter. M is having only one daughter. And M is having only one daughter, and this Q must be male. Isn't it? Hence, how many persons are there? 3. And 7 persons. Who is one more person is left over here? And T is the grandfather of A. And A is the sister of Q. L is the spouse of M. L and M are married. Then how is Q related to R? And R's sister's son. Sister's son is nephew choice 315. And how is O related to L? That is L's wife's mother. Wife's mother is mother-in-law choice 5. And how is U related to Q? Now Q is sister's husband. Sister's husband, brother-in-law, that is choice 3, question number 17. Then next coming to question number 18. How many such pairs of letters are there? What is the word we have? Compound COMPOUND. Now in this one we need to find out the number of pairs. Starting with C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and next one P, Q, R, S, T, O, P, Q, R, and left to right not even a single pair. And again in the reverse D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and U, no letter more than this one, O, O and P, there is one such pair. Isn't it? Next one, and so how many pairs we have? As any other pair we have at this one, and one is this O, P, Q, R, S. The next one N and M and O. Sorry, M and O. It also get M and O. M and O. Hence, how many are there? There are 2 pairs, that is choice 2, question number 18.